Let's pack an order for Carrie. She doesn't want any highlighters or scrunchies. Love silicone squishies. Gift is a blue puppy. 3 silicone squishies. One clay cake magnet. Two mini notebooks. Two bags of stickers. Three sticky notes. Three bookmarks. One clip. Five cute pens. One phone chain. One stamp. Two card holders. One washi tape. One bag charm. Two bracelets. Two keychain sets. One claw clip. One decode and clip. One mini bag. Two mini squishies. One ring. One eraser. Thank you so much.